Strong, powerful, reliable. There's no messing around when you're working with Hotsy pressure washers. For over 40 years, Hotsy has been manufacturing high-end pressure washers, suitable for any job, big or small. Unsurpassed in quality, Hotsy's products are truly top of the line, with customer service that's second to none.
Hotsy came out, they did the installation on this, and as you can see, it's just a really nice clean installation. And when the guy came in, he was here for about a day and a half and he was gone. He took everything with him. He never left anything for me to sweep up, pick up or anything, and that's good service.
Whether you're washing your equipment or cleaning graffiti, Hotsy has the right tools for the job.
As far as I'm concerned, they're the only pressure washer out there. Their soaps are very good, their degreasers are very good. Never had a problem. The reliability of the unit is excellent. Very pleased, yeah. I'd buy nothing but.
The specialists at Hotsy Water Blast are industrial cleaning technicians and can help you determine which Hotsy pressure washer suits your needs. They love to show off their equipment and can provide you with a hands-on demonstration before you buy.
When we were doing lots of research on what we needed and stuff like that, they were over here, saying where we should put the washer, what we should run. We wanted to have a good wash bay because it was very important, and we wanted to make sure that we had steady hot water. That was the main thing, where you come in with snow and ice or mud and dirt, where you would have enough hot water to make sure everything gets washed off properly. Since the driver's been using it the last couple of weeks, they say what a difference. Lots of pressure. Two guys can be in there washing at the same time, and it works great.
Hotsy Water Blast has the right equipment for all your washing needs. Whether you work in agriculture, oil and gas, mining, or just for personal use. And if the unit that suits you perfectly isn't in the Hotsy stock product line, the team at Water Blast Manufacturing will custom design and build a unit that does.
All of our equipment back there is Hotsy equipment. Even before we built this facility, we worked in partnership with Hotsy, rigging up single axle steamer units. We choose Hotsy because our customers request Hotsy. They're #1 in Northern Alberta. They have the best equipment and best reputation in the industry.
Water Blast also manufactures Storm King, their line of high-end parts washers and dip tanks. A Storm King does more than just clean your equipment. Some are even fully insulated to save you utility costs, and is much safer than a standard wash bay.
As long as you can push a button, essentially. I mean, the Storm King, once you put stuff in, turn the knob and she goes. It's probably the simplest machine we have in that facility. The safety features of the Storm King are pretty excellent. It turns off anytime you open the door, so there's never going to be a chance of pressure or hot water coming back at you.
There is no maintenance. It's periodic rather than in a wash bay, it's continual. So the productivity is push a button, set your product, and walk away. So there was no question in my mind that the Storm King was the way to go.
And for real industrial cleaning, Storm King dip tanks are fully custom made to match your facility needs.
The Water Blast itself speeds us up twice as fast. We are able to now not only do cast iron, we can do cast iron components, we can do aluminum, we can do brass, where no longer we have to have someone on the bench who's always constantly cleaning, buffing, and inspecting, where now we can throw it in the tank and they can continue doing something else.
Smartly designed and built using only time-tested high-quality parts, every Hotsy and Water Blast product starts with a strong foundation. The frame is welded together, never bolted. Each component is guaranteed to be top of the line and assembled to ensure maximum efficiency of the pressure washer operation. Hotsy and Water Blast products are manufactured to last, and the only thing stronger than their products is their commitment to customer service.
The biggest thing for oil and gas is when you need it yesterday, and they've definitely come through for us.
We just had a service call here last week, and I made one quick call, and the service guy was out within a couple hours, had us up and running before the end of the day.
Hotsy helped me through many jobs. If I had a problem or a question, I picked up the phone and they'd walk me through it.
We always recommend Hotsy because I know if I send a guy over to Hotsy, he's going to go over there and get his questions answered. I want my customers to be looked after, and Hotsy will do that.
Hotsy Water Blast takes pride in their line of pressure washing products, and the pride of ownership is evident amongst our clientele.
I needed a pressure washer at the spur of the moment when we had this problem with a job, and they said they had a unit that would do the job. Been using them ever since.
I love dealing with the customers. I mean, they're number one, and all we do is sell and service pressure washers, parts washers, cleaning equipment, basically. If you want to buy a pressure washer from us, we have it in stock. You need service, we're there to service it. If you have a problem, we're not running away, we're going to look after it. We do the best job, and it's always easy to do the best.
To learn more about Hotsy Water Blast and our Alberta and BC locations, visit us at www.hotsyab.com, where you'll find everything you could want to know and more.